You have the Samsung Galaxy. This is the S23 FE. Looks like this. 3 cameras, shiny glass on the back. You unfortunately have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. You've tried. You just don't have it, and you know you have to reset your phone. But when you go, you have to power it off. But when you go to power off your phone, it makes you enter the PIN, pattern, or password, and you don't have it. So let me teach you how to force power it off, and then you can get going. You can reset your phone. All right, let's get started. All right, let's get to this screen. Hold on. I'm going to try to power it off. Okay, at this screen, I want the screen on, so I'm going to touch the buttons to make the screen stay on, but we have to do a button combo to force it off. It's volume down and power, so I'm going to get the screen to stay on. Volume down, power. It's about 8-10 seconds to hold it. As soon as the screen turns off, we're going to switch to volume up and power. Okay, get ready. Right there. Volume up and power as quick as you can. We're about another 8 to 10 seconds. Keep holding, keep holding. As soon as you see the Samsung logo, we're going to let go with both fingers. Keep holding, keep holding. Just a few more seconds. Keep holding. Waiting for the Samsung logo. Keep holding. Right there. All right. Now, we're going to wait for the Android recovery menu to show up. At the Android recovery menu, we are going to use the volume keys to scroll down to wipe data, factory reset, and look here, pause, or look on the phone that you are resetting. And if your phone is reset, you still need your Google or Gmail account. There is no bypassing that. You'll be able to skip the PIN, pattern, or password, but it'll ask you to log in with your Google account. Go ahead and do that. All right, press power for OK, and then here is the other thing to keep in mind. Jason, will this wipe all user data? This cannot be undone, and the answer is here. All data on this device will be erased. With that understanding, now scroll down to factory data reset, press power for OK. And your phone, I've heard it can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes for if you've got a ton of data on your phone. This one only took a few seconds, and now it is safe to reboot the system. And that is how you reset your phone and force it to restart. Hey, if you need help remembering your PIN, pattern, or password, or for your kids or for your grandparents, I've made a free downloadable worksheet to keep track of all of that. Fill it all out, and then keep that piece of paper somewhere safe. Hey, if this video has helped you, please like, please subscribe, please watch this video next.